that. 5, 6, 7, 8. T, I, T, I, T, I, T, I, T, I, T, I, T, I. Back here like this. And then they both come over the top, and then you would open to the left side because your right hand would be in front for the first position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and swing. 1, 2, 3. So the left will go front, the right goes back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now swing and switch position. 1, 2, just front to back to front to back. And we'll do 20 reps. So T, swing, T, and back down. 5, 6, 7, go. Swing and 3, and swing and 4, and swing and 5, and swing 6, and swing 7, swing and 8. Here's your